I'll be showing you how to mix your body lotion to achieve a lighter and flawless skin tone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to mix your regular body lotion to achieve a lighter and flawless skin tone. So if you're interested in getting better results with your body lotion, you will just want to keep on watching. Other than buying chemically formulated products or steroid body lotions and hydroquinone lotions that will damage your skin, it's better you premix your own body lotion. Okay, premixing your body lotion is a safe way to prevent you from ending up with chemically formulated lotions to get better results with your body lotion. So I'll be showing you the tips and tricks on how to use your normal body moisturizer to achieve that lighter and flawless skin tone. So first things first, before premixing any body lotion, you want to be sure of the following. Number one thing you want to note before mixing your body lotion is be sure that the products you are using are compatible enough, because when it comes to skincare, there are some ingredients that are not compatible with the rest. So if you end up mixing them together, it will end up giving you a reverse reaction on your skin or causing you rashes or breakouts or making your skin more sensitive. So you want to be sure of the compatibility of the ingredients list before mixing any body lotion or moisturizer. So you need to know the do's and don'ts of skincare before mixing up any body lotion. So mixing your body lotion to achieve that lighter and flawless skin tone is okay, but at the same time you need to be careful of what you're mixing together. So the second thing you want to take note of is do not use a body lotion that is watery. When it comes to mixing your body lotion, you want to make sure that the base cream you're using is not watery. You want to go for a thicker formula so that when you end up adding your other ingredients, you will not end up with a watery product. Okay, so that is the second thing you need to note. So another thing you want to take note of is make sure that the base cream that you're using does not contain any form of steroid or hydroquinone in it, because if you end up using a lightening or whitening cream that contains hydroquinone or steroid or chemical in it, it will end up giving you green veins, stretch marks, and the rest on the skin, and you will end up thinking it's because you premixed your lotion. So when mixing a body lotion, you want to use a regular body moisturizer. So with that said, I'll be showing you guys how to mix your regular body lotion to achieve a lighter and flawless skin tone. So disclaimer, so this particular formulation is something I've actually formulated for a client, and she came back with good reviews on it. Okay, so that is why I decided to share with you guys. So this formulation I'll be showing you guys today will give you that lighter and flawless skin tone. It will give you that flawless yellow skin tone. So here are the ingredients you'll be needing in this formulation. So the first ingredients you'll be needing in this formulation is your base cream. So in this situation, we'll be using our Revlon Natural Fairness body lotion as our base cream. So this body lotion is just like your body moisturizer that will moisturize and hydrate your skin. So this particular Revlon body lotion, I have a full review video on it, so you can go check it out. I'll link it right in the description box. So you can substitute this particular body lotion for any other regular body moisturizer like your Vaseline, your Nivea, or any other product. So the second product we'll be using in this formulation is our active. So in this situation, we'll be using the Pimento Serum. It's an effective lightening serum. It's very potent when it comes to skin lightening. It helps to tackle stubborn pigmentation on your knees, on your underarm, and anywhere on your body. So it's a super effective lightening serum. So one thing you should note when using the Pimento Serum as your active is do not apply pimentos directly on your skin. It can burn the skin. It's very active like that. You have to dilute this particular serum. You can choose to substitute the Pimento Serum for another serum of your choice. So the third ingredient to be using in this formulation is our bio oil. So this bio oil, it helps to pressurize your skin, even out your skin tone, and prevent stretch marks on the skin. So that is the essence of using bio oil in this formulation. So the last ingredient to be using in this formulation is a more white skin perfector serum. So this serum will help to replenish your skin, even out your skin tone. It will give you that uniform complexion, improve the appearance of your skin. It will give you that mirror complexion when mixed with your pimento. So yeah, those are the ingredients to be using in mixing this particular body lotion to achieve that lighter and flawless skin tone. So I'll be showing you a little demonstration on how to mix them.
So you need a clean bowl, then any moisturizer of your choice. So this is our active, the pimento. This pimento will help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on your skin, so it's super effective. So the next we'll be using is our more white skin perfector serum. So mixing the two of them together will give you that glossy complexion. So this is a 400 ml body lotion. So I'll be dividing it into two. I'll be putting 200 ml into the bowl. Then this pimento serum, I'll be adding like 2 spoons of it into the moisturizer. So you just want to add 2 spoons into this 200 ml lotion. So yeah, once you're done adding your active, then you go in with your skin perfector serum. So we'll be using the more white skin perfector serum. This particular serum is very nice on the skin. It helps to give your skin that glow and moisturize your skin very well. So mixing it with the pimento will go a long way in helping you achieve that clear glossy complexion. Okay, I added 5 ml bio oil into the mixture, but I lost that particular clip. You have to stir this till your body lotion becomes very fluffy and thick. So we'll be stirring for 30 minutes at least. Okay, so yeah. So this is it after stirring for 30 minutes. So I just poured it into my container, and this is it. This is our body lotion. So yeah.
So yeah, that is it on how to mix this particular body lotion to achieve that lighter and flawless skin tone. So this particular body lotion will give you that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. Okay, it doesn't whiten the skin overnight. It will gradually reduce pigmentation on your skin, and at the same time lighten your skin gradually. With consistent usage, you will see the effect of this particular body lotion. So this particular formulation will not lighten your skin overnight or in 3 or 4 days. So do not expect quick overnight lightening with this body lotion. Okay, so this particular body lotion, do not use it on your face. Get a face cream. So yeah, that is it for this video. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.